you are preparing for an ESG job interview and I know you want to stand out. You have looked at all the certifications like GRI, SASB, GARP SCR, CFA ESG, but the price tag, that's your major barrier. So what if I told you that there are several free ESG certifications which will not only give you up-to-date knowledge about ESG and sustainability jobs and prepare you for interview, but they are from recognized institutions, so you can also add them in your CV as well as LinkedIn. So watch this video till the end because today we are going to discuss 5 websites which offer completely free certifications and that can help you prepare well for your next interview related to ESG and sustainability job. And once you complete all of these free certifications, you can then move on to budget-friendly certifications or paid certifications. And I am still doing my research on budget-friendly certification. And do let me know in the comments below if you are willing to know any budget-friendly certifications and what is the budget range that you guys are looking for. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to Gen Sustainable, and today we are going to discuss the most asked topic about free certifications related to ESG and sustainability that can help you prepare for your next ESG and sustainability job interview. So I have done my research. Yes, I have done all the research for you guys and I have come up with 5 websites which provide free certifications wherein you can prepare for your ESG job interview. And all of these websites, so none of them are sponsored, and this is completely based on my research and my own analysis, and I have gone through most of the courses to see what the curriculum offers, and I can guarantee that they really give good knowledge if you're very serious about cracking your next ESG job interview. And not just that, all of them are from recognized institutions or organizations, so you can definitely not just gain knowledge but also add about these certifications in your resume as well as update your LinkedIn with the next certification. And all of them are completely free. So let's dive into it. The link for all of these certifications would be in the description below. So I urge all of you all to go through each of these websites, scan through the courses available and see what resonates the best with you and get your certification done. So let's begin with the most non-negotiable certification, which is TCFD Knowledge Hub. Now TCFD, if you already know, is a reporting framework which helps in disclosing financial risks related to climate change, and I have already prepared a video on TCFD, so you can check it out here. And now TCFD website has its own section which is called TCFD Knowledge Hub, and it has all of these certifications that you can see on the screen, and all of them are free and all of them are also not very time consuming. They are ranging from 1 hour to not more than 4 to 5 hours. So if you complete all of these certifications, you will definitely gain hands-on knowledge and experience about how TCFD reporting is done, what does TCFD require, and it's an official certification from TCFD, so you can definitely add it in your resume as well as update your LinkedIn that you have completed these certifications and you have a good command about TCFD disclosure. So this is your absolute must if you are preparing for ESG and sustainability job interview, and especially if you're aiming for roles like climate risk analyst or ESG risk analyst or ESG data reporting specialist, or if you are specifically looking to work in countries where TCFD is the official reporting standard for ESG and sustainability disclosures, then this certification is something that you must get done. And also in the future, if you're planning to go for GARP SCR certification, first doing all of these free certifications available on TCFD website will obviously develop some basic knowledge related to climate risk analysis, financial disclosures related to climate change and climate risks. So make sure you check all of these certifications and complete them as soon as possible within this weekend itself if you want to update your ESG and sustainability knowledge. Okay, so now let's move on to another strong certification which is offered by UNCC Learn or UN Climate Change Learning Program. Now, again, these certifications are offered officially by UNCC, so you can completely rely on them for trusted knowledge, as well as they are official certifications from UNCC. So you can definitely add them in your resume, and you can also update your LinkedIn with these certifications. Now, UNCC website has a lot of free certifications, and the topics are really vast and diverse. They range from climate change, climate related financial risk, sustainability, diversity and inclusion, gender studies, etc. So there are a lot of them, and I would urge all of you all to scan through the website properly and go through each and every certification and see what resonates the best with you. And my recommendation is that if you're specifically looking for job profiles in the development sector or in the government sector or policy planning sector, then all of these certifications will help you build good knowledge base. Now, all of the certifications on UNCC Learn are categorized into three broad verticals. So the first vertical is climate change. So there are a lot of certifications under the climate change catalog, which range from various topics. As you can see on the screen, you have subjects like monitoring air pollution effects under the convention. There is sports and climate change. There is deep diving into the Rotterdam Convention. There is scaling climate finance. There is net zero 101. There is the Paris Agreement certification. There are a couple of them on Paris Agreement, and a lot more certifications if you keep scrolling down. And all of these certifications are short duration certifications from 1 hour to 4 to 5 hours, and these will really help you develop your basic fundamental knowledge related to different frameworks, different conventions which happen, and how the climate related policies and regulations have evolved globally over time. Now, coming to the next vertical is green economy, and under the green economy vertical, as you can see on the screen, the course catalog has various topics ranging from advancing sustainable development in practice, developing skills for women leadership in climate change, indicators for inclusive green economy, introduction to sustainable finance, taxonomies, green transition. So if you scroll down again, there are a lot of certifications related to sustainable finance and green economy, which are essentially very, very important if you are interested in sustainable finance related role, or also if you aim to go for the CFA ESG certification in future. Completing first these free certifications will help you develop your knowledge base better. So do check out all of these certifications. And the last vertical is circular economy. So now again, as you can see on the screen, the course catalog for circular economy has 6 courses which range from, again, developing skills for women in climate change. This is a common certification in the two verticals. Then we have circular economy in South Africa, how to prevent e-waste, food waste prevention, sustainable consumption and production in Africa, sustainable diet. So all of these certifications are very, very important if you want to go in development sector and work in organizations like the World Bank or UN or Asian Development Banks, or in regional government level consulting or city level consulting, rural development programs wherein the work majorly focuses on policy development or behavioral change at grassroots level for citizens. So for such roles, these certifications would be really helpful and help you develop a good knowledge base. So do check out all the certifications and complete them as soon as possible. Now, the next website is CSRD Institute. Now, all of y'all must be aware of the CSRD regulation coming up in Europe, and a lot of companies who are already based out of Europe are reporting in alignment with CSRD, and also a lot of international companies who have a good customer base in Europe or a large size operation in Europe would also require to report basis CSRD reporting standards in the coming few years. So if you're aiming for any such roles, you would definitely need to have a strong hold and good understanding of how CSRD reporting is done. So CSRD Institute offers certifications at majorly 3 levels. So out of the 3 levels, the first level is free and the next 2 levels are paid certifications. But nonetheless, even the free certification helps you develop a good knowledge and foundation of what CSRD is, how CSRD reporting is done. So I would highly recommend to undertake the free certification. And if you guys are interested in knowing in detail how CSRD reporting is done, so do let me know in the comments below and I will come up with a video on the topic soon. But nonetheless, even if you're not trying for roles in Europe and and are majorly looking to work in any other geography around the world, it is still advised to understand and learn CSRD reporting, because CSRD is one of the most comprehensive reporting standard or framework. And if you have a good hold or good command on CSRD, understanding some of the other frameworks like GRI, BRSR, TCFD wouldn't be much difficult anymore. The entire concept of double materiality assessments comes from CSRD itself. So again, having good knowledge and understanding of CSRD is very, very important, not just for people aiming to work in Europe, but for people aiming to work in any other geographic location around the world. So do check out the certification in the link given in the description, and let me know if you want a complete video on CSRD. Okay, so now the fourth website is Greenomy Academy. Now Greenomy is actually a software which helps in reporting basis CSRD and EU taxonomy. So the certifications on this website are essentially on how to use the software, but I would still recommend to go through the free certifications once, because they cover important topics like risk assessment, double materiality assessment, and they are covered very simplistically. So if you just go through these free certifications, you will develop a good base on understanding CSRD reporting, double materiality assessment, financial risk assessment for climate change. And to be honest, since it's from a private company, the certification might not always help you secure a job like the other certifications I mentioned, but it will still help you develop knowledge base for your interviews. So I would highly recommend to go through all of these certifications available, and all of them are really short certifications under 1 hour, so you can quickly complete them, get an overview or perspective about CSRD and EU taxonomy, and then move to the next certifications which are a bit lengthier. And if you are particularly targeting for roles related to ESG data analyst, or particularly sustainability data analyst, or any role that is data focused towards ESG and sustainability, then the certification will obviously hold a lot more value, as you would know how data analysis is done, how all of the new softwares which are coming up are being used for ESG and sustainability data analysis. So in such a scenario, I would highly recommend you to go through the website and check out all of their certifications. Okay, now the last website for today is Sigma Earth. Now Sigma Earth has very interesting courses, and you can check out on the link given in the description. And this particular website is important or interesting because it has sustainability related courses for different sectors. And as you can see on the screen, the courses range from sustainability management, then sustainability in textile industry, sustainable finance and digital economy, circular economy, business services sustainability, corporate governance and business ethics, education sector sustainability, fashion sustainability program. So all of these certifications are not just focused on sustainability, but they also cater to different sectors. So if you're interested in any of these sectors, you can definitely have a look at these certifications. All of them are free and also not very lengthy certifications. So you can get a good basic understanding of how sustainability is applied in different sectors. Or if you're having any interview in a particular sector, say in a textile industry or in a financial sector company or an education sector company, then in such a case you should definitely search the sector in which you have your interview and go through the sector specific training which is available on this website, so that you have a better understanding of how the sector functions and how sustainability is related to that particular sector. So do check out all of the certifications on Sigma Earth, and let me know in the comments how did you find these certifications and how useful were they for your ESG or sustainability job interview. So that's all for today's video. We have covered 5 major websites from where you can do free certification related to ESG and sustainability. And once you complete all of these free certifications, you can then move on to budget friendly certifications, paid certifications, and I am still doing my research on budget friendly certifications. So once I have a list ready with me, I will definitely make a video on it, and do let me know in the comments below if you are willing to know any budget friendly certifications and what is the budget range that you guys are looking for. Probably if you're looking for certifications under rupees 1,000 or under 5,000 or under 10,000. So I would filter my research as per the budget criteria that you're looking for. And till then, stay impactful, stay and sustainable. Do let me know in the comments what other topics you would like me to cover. Bye bye.